Have you sown seeds and waited for days but nothing grows? Many gardeners think that seeds are bad, but in actual, problem is something else. Here we gonna discuss 5 common problems that stops seeds from germination. Our first problem is overwatering. The common mistake we all repeat is overwatering. When we water our seedlings directly, the seeds may rot and it can stop sprouting. So whenever you water your seedlings, don't give water directly from a mug or something or pipe. Use spray or hand to water gently, because on seeds are very small. Sometimes seeds are very small that cannot handle their pressure and dug dig inside the soil. And also the overwatering kills the seeds from germination. Seeds will get rot and it will not germinate, so it's better to water very gently with a spray or something. Second mistake is planting your seeds too deep. Whenever you are sowing seeds, make sure you are planting the seed according to their size. If the seed is large, then they should be dug a little deeper. But if they are tiny deep seeds, they should be thrown on surface. Because if you plant your seed too deep, it will not have enough energy to come out of the surface. So a simple rule is to sow your seed whenever. Simple rule is to sow your seed twice the depth of your seed. It will give enough space to come out of the surface. Mistake 3 is poor soil. A heavy or complex soil will not let your seed to grow. And if your soil is lightweight like this, it will grow very easily and plant will flourish. So if you are making soil mix of seedlings, use coco peat and vermicompost. And if you are adding soil, you can add perlite. Normally I use vermicompost and coco peat mixture. These are my Cosmo seedlings that I have sown earlier with you all. Mistake number 4 is wrong temperature. Some seeds prefer warmer temperature or some seeds prefer cold temperature. If you are sowing your seed at the wrong temperature, it will slow the growth or stop the germination. So always check what is the ideal temperature for that seed or plant to grow. So grow accordingly. Mistake number 5 is impatience. Lack of patience can ruin your seeds. Some seeds grow within 2 or 3 days, while some takes 1 week time or 2 week time. So it's always better to wait. Like I have sown this zinnia and you can see 4 seeds have germinated, but 1 tiny seed is taking time. So it's always better to wait for the seeds to take its time. Well, the success tip will be to always make your seeds grow is to use a good soil mix, gentle watering, and sow your seeds in better temperature. It will help you to have a higher success rate in seed germination. Growing plants from seed is the most satisfying thing I have ever experienced. If you if you are liking these gardening tips from me, please do consider subscribing me. Happy gardening!